How to share a post on your Instagram story. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video, because it's so easy to do. And all you basically have to do is simply go over here and click, go to any post. So for example, here in my browser, you can choose any post you want, or you can just simply go to this post over here. And then you want to click on the share button over here. Now here you can normally send this post then to your DMs, so to friends or other accounts, but you can also add this to your story. If you click over here, add post to story, it will look like this. And then you can also, for example, tap on it to show the caption as well. But if you don't want that, then yeah, you can just leave it like this. Simply click on your story, and now it will be added to your story. So I'm going to show that real quick. Now it is still uploading at the bottom left. Oh, but it already uploaded. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this super quick video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.